Welcome my people. As you all can see, we're going to try the Kuno Park here in Mayfield, in Hayfield. So our guide for the first part. Yeah. What you did? This one I follow up on the part of the people, so Kuno Park. Here we come. Welcome my people. As you all can see, we're going to try the Kuno Park here in Mayfield, in Hayfield. Yeah. So as you can see, we are going to go up the hill. Yeah man, stay tuned people. People. Okay, so we are going to people, so just try, stick and stay. And watch what I'm going. Right here, so I say welcome to the Kuno Pass, peeps. Kuno Pass Trail. The Blue Jungle National Park, you know? Yeah man. People are paying nature this, you know? Yeah man. But I say baby, coming through. That is it. The ancestors protect with you. You see me people? Yeah man. So I try to like the ancestors them, don't it? Yeah man, that is it my people. So stick and stay. Watch where I go on. We are go up the pass. You still have wait for your lazy got free enter. Yeah. That is it my people, so. That is it. Some people journey start, you know. Yeah man, as you can see. Godfrey and Elite coming up. Yeah. The people. Yeah man. I take on the part. So our guide for the first part. Yeah. What you did? This one I follow up on the part of the people, so Kuno part. Here we come. Watch how fine I pass people. Jackfruit. This not right, not true, Papa.
Go way up, so.
That one the right.
You just go on as far as you can go and see. You see?
So this is a jackfruit, my people. Yeah. You have a jackfruit tree here.
Start record here.
Alright. Yeah, people, watch out. Still on that jackfruit tree. I'm just going. So one more jackfruit there. Nice pass.
Is a 7-mile hike across the bushes, across the hills and valleys or the mountains of St. Thomas, across the
you can see people, watch out.
From St. Thomas. And I feel like you can reach. Let me know in the comment section down below. I feel like I never turn back and I feel like somebody have a turn back.
People, watch out.
We are trying to make it
You
alright.
see?
Yeah,
Watch out, people want to show them something. I'm passing it.
Yo, I just saw enough to go with pipeline there, you know. Go up at the hill with to go. Wrong turn already.
So is we have make wrong turn
Yeah.
already? We don't have to follow the pipeline?
No, that's why I turn back.
Oh, that's
You
it.
see me turn back? I'm not going to tell the people, I'm say people,
So
do
there are
not
two roads. If you
go
come
around
here,
there.
do not take this one with the pipeline running going up there. Take the one that leads up here.
See the sign there, people,
Alright.
it say please stay on the trail.
Please stay on the trail. We never see it, you know.
Yeah, man. So,
It's in the
as you
river.
can
We
see,
are look out for more of them sign there.
we are go up a trail.
My hike.
Godfrey, I come out there with people.
That is it, my brother Jamaica.
Man, last time to eat chuck for come up in the peeps.
Tell you, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
People see our next brother.
Alright, so I'm gonna try to put a map on screen of what the journey will be like going across the east to Portland. And anybody really knows if I'm saying Thomas to go to Portland at the next part next year, but all that next year, not so we know the journey we have to take. So, yeah. I'm gonna type in the comments. Type I, type walk, type go. Anything you think I make a type it. Help you from it, alright? Yeah, man.
That is it. That's where I need it out here. Leave it to push out Jamaica. Leave it Jamaica or push out forward, you know? So, you're fully active. Kono Park trail, you know? Kono Park.
The people were just starting. Yeah. That's for them in front of me. The journey just starting, people.
See that
See?
Jamaica?
Yeah. See you later, my brother down there, so that people. Yeah. We're still up on the party now. And after the 3, my people. We should start from morning, but we just start. I try to make it back before night, you know. So that is it, my people. Let's see what I'm going. Yeah. Right now, I'm going to go up on a grade right there, so. Yeah, man. Yeah, so got for that. Ancestor there.
Yeah.
You see that?
I'm a last, you know.
See, I'm having my last peeps.
Yeah, I have my last.
Yeah, man, I'm having my knapsack. Alright.
People always say, if you can't shake on the bush.
That is a fact, people. You see, the path slippery, you know, peeps. So, you have to be extra careful. Can't follow me and wear slippers.
Stop camera.
The people watch you. Catch for you elite that, you know. And Mario. Yeah, man. So people, them gone over the hill. Catch up back with them, you know. Check in people at Godfrey. And if then I go there, no peeps. So I'm do road left way. Yeah, man.
It looks like we have go around the mouth. You know they walk there?
Yeah. Oh, people, watch out. Still up on the path. We have a hope. The elite official back on me, people. Be a jungle, this, you know, people. Yeah. Yeah, man. The elite official, yeah, man, about now. Right for there in front of me, I go on. People hear that in my voice. Oh. Show me where I come from. Don't know where I come from, people. I know when I see elite, you know. Alright, see him that come the people. Yeah, rain like. Rain a Joe, man. Rain a Joe, people. Blessings. Right around. Rain a Joe, my people. But you still I try to go on. Yeah. Still I try to go around.
people remember.
Yeah.
Around over Jamaica, not the left.
They eat that way around us up here. You hear him come?
Watch right also too.
So you eat the people. Epic adventure people. I remember for the first time viewing this channel, peeps, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. See that, peeps? If you slip your slide, you're gone. Okay. It's risky. But look back down there, so people. See what I go on? Yeah, man, that's where I come from, in the peeps.
Way down in our valley that
Up there, sir.
see that, we come down the mountain there to show me see. You see that? Yeah. Yeah, come
Some
down in our
beauty.
valley and
Wow, people, look at that. Natural beauty, peeps. Eh? Talk to me now, people, man. Tell me in the comment section where I go on. Yeah, continue the journey. Up there. I know they want bamboo walk right there, so peeps. What for bamboo? But the gully down there so steep. If you drop off, you go far. So you have to steady. You know what you're doing. Yeah. See, I've only for turn off in the peeps. But the people I catch wild boar and them think they go them places. So hopefully you can buck up to a reindeer or you can buck a wild boar. Yeah. You hopefully you'll eat over there, so yeah, man. I'm there behind the camera people, so we're not gonna see me too much. But me there we don't see me. Yeah, man, yeah, boy. Yeah. Wow, people. I want to feel if I do a song around, I'm thirsty for real. You know. The people, if you see them I drink rum and this, you know, people, just know say, I couldn't part this. Ancestral ground this, my people. Yeah, man, so when crossing the Kuno part, you have to bring rum with you. Yeah. Yeah, that's a baby, that mean good evening. Over Ghana there. Yeah, afternoon. So, yeah, man. But when time I chat them part of peace, I turn back to show now. Say, far away I go. And I hear from my brother he lead. Oh, and there, man. We think we'll last city. But he lead around there, so. Alright, I go back up and he'll go wait on him. Got for going ahead. People hear me a blow. Cha. Long time I do them journey, you know. I'm going to tell the people I'm a boy, you know. Far in the years, I go for my wall, man, you know. Run out and come back. Yeah. Can see when rain fall, people, river there, so. Water come down, gushing. Yeah, right here, so. Got good look. You see that? Yeah, man, it's risky. Very, very risky. I go up on here.
However, after the Hurricane Gilbert of 1988, 1988? Yeah, I think 1988, then this trade route was actually in threat of being like overgrown and all of that, you know. So
Yeah, people. Continue on the path. So might you good need a machete, you know, peeps. Yeah.
so you know we just have to say
I feel like I need a machete. Yeah. Feel like I'm there gone, peeps. It feels good, you know? Can try the path. My ancestors them walk. Yeah. So I go up there, people. That is it. Yeah. The road rough and it tough. But still can stay with people, watch it. Rain in the sky, you know. But we are doing it. Yeah man, we are Godfrey back away. It's Godfrey we are around there some people. Mm-hmm. See him there? He did Jamaica there around there, so. Yeah man. It's Godfrey there. Godfrey coming on with me. Godfrey come. People when they see them look turn off, yeah. They continue straight. You hear me people? So I guess you come up here, so. Yeah. You see how you're so stay? The part kind of block up in the peeps. Yeah man. So like up furthermore. Catch me through the bush people. Now I go through the bush. Yeah. Up in the Blue Mountain. Yeah. You go over there, you try the Kuno part. Yeah. Been a journey, my people. You see that? Be a gully. So drop off our trail, you know, can be very dangerous. So you have to have experience. Not really experience, but you have to know what you're doing. Mm-hmm. Next time I come up and rock him. Yeah, what do you think about that? Yeah, man. So I want to like your people. Still I go. Whoa. Mm-hmm. No. Think I want to mash it now, people. I tap at take a rest, people. I'm tired. I'm not reach now yet, you know. People, I'm there. Talk to look over there, so. You see what I'm going down there, so? No, that's how we are going now. Mm-hmm. You know, I must say, them attack, I must say. All right, my people, we are going to try and see. We are going up more in the bush. The pass kind of wet in my people. Yeah, the pass kind of wet. But we go up on it. The weather gets further. Mm-hmm. Look over there, sir. Listen to that. Calm. Nice. Yeah, my people, watch out. Who this I go through bush? People right, that's a tricky, you know. Watch your step, yes, sir. Watch your foot, yes, sir. Watch your foot, yes, sir. My people. Yeah, see. Skill, I go in the peeps. Whoa. That left boy. My. Can't do that. Whoa. People, this is Maka. Maka? Yeah, we juke you, so. Just maneuver around the Maka. Like that. Yeah. Yeah, people, watch out. Guess what I go on with people? Look down there, so now. Eh? People?
When we clear them out, you know, look out with it.
Uh-huh. Yeah, people. See that? I go to that look over there, so. And go up. Alright? Yeah. Yeah, it's a better got for that. That is it, people. Yeah. Check in, people, we are go up there. No, tell a lie, no, people. Night time, we are one day to make the right decision. Yeah, but you see, I look sharp, man. And he didn't follow me, so I know I'm up on the right path. Yeah. What you not going to see? What me see him? I have to saw him and me give him some. That idea. Carry me go. Carry me back. Not like I make deal with devils and people, but spiritual guns. Look at that, my people, beautiful. So Jamaica, beautiful people. My God, look at that. Wow. Eh? Pretty. I'm not going to try it. Barefoot people, cause right foot a socks. Stop, come on. Yeah. 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 You know. So, right, that's a soft, that's a kind of moist people. You have to watch your step. Right, that's a step down. No, you know, it's the two overcast and the bush them and the tree them. So you always keep in there some mice. You see, at the night time up here so cool. Look at that, people. Wow. Long time them tree they said left there, you know, people. Years. Night time up here so cool. No capping, peeps. Night time up here cool. See? Road rugged. Yeah. The sharp man I fear trade. Yeah. You try to go easy, you know. You never make it easy. The journey, eh? God for them to come over. Elite official. Yeah. We gotta go back up there now. So we're up on the right path. Alright? Yeah. You know? I think I do got a, you know, a pitch dark with it. Pitch black. Now abyss. And the people. Oh. Still up on the journey, you know. Yeah, man. Still up on the journey, actually. Whoa. Reach far distance, but we still not reach nowhere yet. We still go up here. Yeah. As I can see, the path rugged. Yeah. If you can go on this, you go on there. You can walk on and walk on. That is it. We have elite official. God fear on the people. Yeah, man.
Stick on.
Stick and yeah, people, so still a go on. Oh, my people, we still a chat. Yeah. Been a lead the pack for morning, guys. Yeah. Fit. So I know physical. Yeah, man. Physical, man. People are rugged in people could have. Oh, freedom. Yep. That is it, my people. Check in here. God for them around there. So people can come down. Go check out the Kunu Park. Yeah. You're rugged. You're down. What the ancestors them doing. Wow. Look at that. That is it. Wow. Elite official. You owe me, sir. You owe me, sir. You owe me. Yeah, people, see it up on the right part. Yeah. People. And before I be a slave, people, I'll be buried in my grave and go home to my Lord and be free. Yeah. Look at that. Blessings, blessings, man. Many blessings. We and them a try the journey, you know, people. Yeah, man. God free. Elite Jamaica official. And brother this. Yeah. Alright, people. So we just look out pine, boy.
Guys,
Look out pine.
here we go. If you don't want to see
So over the mountain there.
called I can in the bush at night or Kunu pass at night or whatever on let me.
Yeah, people,
right?
so.
And then we upload.
So we just look out pine. And we are going down in a Portland, the people. Stay tuned. Yeah. Alright, my people. I should be too energetic, my people. Alright. Yeah, my people, so. Check in and watch y'all going. Just up right, I want spring here, so.
Site is famous for its scenic
Yeah.
beauty and relaxing atmosphere, providing a comfortable place for the
So,
people who
normally water in a saying a peak. Yeah, normally you could have stand up here, so. Right here, so. Yeah. And get the water.
Okay. Yo, guys, you hear what it said?
Yeah.
This site is famous for its scenic beauty and relaxing atmosphere, providing comfortable place for the people who transported food and their heads are by beasts of burden. Different markets in St. Thomas and Portland
people.
to have their breakfast.
Yeah, I mean.
So I saw them sit down and eat them breakfast.
Yeah, and then carry load from all angles from St. Thomas to Portland.
Yeah, they had to do that because I saw them used to bring things up on the head with donkey and them thing there, is it?
Yeah, they hear that my
and
people
the
check in.
beast of burden.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, guys, so you
Up
know,
in the
we're
hills,
on the
yeah.
move again.
See that?
Now be careful on the step around there and see sign of people. Check in and watch what's going. Yeah. Watch out, my people. Yeah, so that water in them people, I jump off, you know. Yeah, man. I swim, what I go swimming right now. Yeah. The pass nice, people, so got for them. Yeah. Only thing missing, only thing upon the pass, bring on the mosquito spray. Yeah. Who not like mosquito?
Oh, yeah.
Bring on the mosquito spray. So we go down in a Portland and now people we just come off of the grade. I'm round there, so. Come back round. Yeah. Watch out, my people. So now reach us now. Don't follow me, you can follow me and walk on the side right here, so you know. Right here, so God for walk, but it's dangerous, see me. But me walk here, so it's simpler to me.
Like trees falling down.
Yeah, but if I skill enough, yeah man, I can walk through right here, so.
That feel good?
Yeah, my brother. Yeah, you know?
Right, there's some people. Let's get in up. I just walk over. Yeah, man. Yeah, that my people, watch it. So the next part down in the gully, but we're not use that one there today. Yeah, we are go straight over Portland.
Yeah, one down in the gully, but we not use that one.
No, we are going straight to Portland, my people. Yeah. Alright, catch it. Watch out, man. You need to go down there.
Yeah, guys, and this trail, we really recommend it, this trail. This trail can be open to tourism, whether under the dark tourism movement or under regular tourism. This is a good hiking trail. We're not finished it yet, and so far, we give it 98 out of 100. We give 8 out of 10. But as in regards to
People look down there, so.
we give 4 out of 5.
So that pure gully, so I up on the path, people not have to steer. Steady. See, come here, Godfrey. Yeah, man, Godfrey, go on. And he need to go on in front of my peeps. Yeah, so. Yeah, go and try this. People start charging through. One thing with the past, my people, a lot of bamboo tree. Yeah, people, so whole team that in front of me are going there. Yeah. So we are going down a steep slope, yeah.
Libations, guys. Libations.
Elite.
We end up on
Official.
front now, guys. Them they run about now, you know. When I time them that go left, we know weed off front. Where you say?
You're good, man. Dirty.
That is it.
We're down front now.
Yeah.
People.
Where does it?
Me I tell the people, every say me I lead the pack from morning.
So me I leave now.
No,
Alright.
that is it. So Godfrey, I take him a little time, go down. Yeah. Soon reach Portland in the people. Right now I have to bend down under one bamboo tree, so obstacle, babes. And you can manage them journey. If you can manage them journey, babes may come camp up. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, my people, so check it. Right now, everybody, them a move left me, the people. And me, I lead the pack for morning. Me, a little sharp man. Me, I drink some rum. You turn off in the bush, but you still have a look. No, definitely go back up now, wild boar, people. When I back up now, wild boar, from me, I come to the peeps. I'm in a spot now reindeer yet, you know. But I'm missing them. Keeping up posted, man. Yeah. Is it gone now? That's them people. You leave that chop it a go on, peeps. And down we are going now, you know, people. Down in a Portland, you know. Yeah. Whoa. This would need my light. If they get the light now, it would be easier for me to come back all later. Man. But anyways, can't use the process so for us. Wait, things take time. God make it in 7 days, so things take time. Alright. People out there, so where I come from, you know. But yeah, people there, we are look out, you know. Not the physical, you know. More like the spiritual. See, yeah. So okay, I go down. Yeah. Alex, I go on the phone. Whoa. Alright, the people. Check in. I go there, I go from along there. Alex, I go on there, so people. Mm-hmm. So we reach the Portland. Check the time now. See the time now, people. Jaja. That time, you know. And we have to go across and come back across. Hopefully we're not back up now rolling cafe. Yeah, when I epic with people, I like it. Yeah, man. That one is a blast. Can feel it, my people, the energy. Feel it there. We still a go around. Check in. The peeps, me. Peeps, me. I cross on a bridge, you know. Can walk on the side. Or you can walk on the bridge. But I'd rather walk on the side, my people, see? Yeah. On the side. See that? See what I got for that? Can't try to come out of the pass the peeps. Come down. You need a lead.
So we have water, guys.
You find water.
Yeah, we find water.
Find ticks, people.
We find what? You find ticks?
Inca.
We find water, please. So this is
Whoa.
a spring,
Look at that.
but it's not running. This should have been like flowing off.
Every people check in. Just bring a bit of water. I take no crayfish in there, so I left it and go on. A jangana in there, my people. And we have go across the bush. Yeah, wait till the Kono part. Watch out. See that, people? You have to be fit. Yeah. Obstacles.
That is it. Yeah, people, stay tuned, enough love, respect with them from Kono Pass. You see, people, yeah, man, with the year I spread a joy, I go through Kono Pass. You see that, my people, so stay tuned and enough love and respect, blessings. Yeah.
Guys, but still, I wonder, you want to help me if we, because them said it's one of the best hiking trail in Jamaica.
Why make you fit?
We still have it at number 8. 8 out of 10.
People,
As soon as we finish,
tell me what go on. And we have got the lead. People, I'm walking lead now. Is another spring this? Yeah, this look like another spring to people. But it dry. Yeah, you know when rain fall, it's a spring and flow water. Enough. Yeah, but we are go up on it. Yep, see it there? You go way up in Blue Mountain. Yeah. So that is it. Check in what going. People Alex. And Godfather on the corner there. And when they discuss how long, now we are walk.
We can reach home if we not come back here because the vehicle there are 8 feet and we don't drive a free car. Portland to that sundown vehicle run from Portland to St.
So we have to come back to the bush and hear that, people.
At the night, so I love it there with this thing and go back to us. Yeah, man. So, no problem. Yeah, guys, so in the tree, we come over the tree. No. Well, the surroundings is beautiful. I want to
Spring.
I want to reach up there, sir.
That's how we walk.
Yes, sir?
Yeah. I go through the spring. That's a spring, you know.
Yeah, that I realized the one next spring there. That's another spring there, guys.
Check some of it. I mean, yes.
Come on. Good, got it.
If you gotta come up, foot them not good enough, but him still I do it.
Portland Mountain and in Utah.
If we are going in a Portland Mountain. Whoa, 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 whoa. Eh? Chamo, 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 chamo. People in the air. People Alex there. Yeah, people say Godfrey.
Hey,
I'm going on.
You can't talk when you have flipping. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Alright, people check it. Yeah. Alright, my people check it. We reach furthermore, over up on the mountain, we make us see what going on. Here, my people not going nowhere. People watch out. We're close by. So we reach. Only thing, people. Being a bug spray. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Must I wonder the rest of the guys them there. Then the back of me there, man. Yeah. Yeah, good dog in a Portland, you know. You know? Yeah. You see? So. I mean, see there, if you come boy here. No, we not care if you come boy here. Hey, Monday. Elite. Elite. And I'm finding a bush pete, you know. Keep up with the group. Yeah, people. Yeah, come on, give part. Yeah. Watch out now. Now go ahead and say I can catch them while I come down the road. Because you know what? Hey, man, there. And pete in a bush out here. Yeah. So got three up there, so. Yeah. Got three take it part elite there. Yeah. That is it. You see it, my people. Remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, man. Just remember, my people. Now, still going down on the road. Them guys ever come here, you know. People not go. Not go watch it night one too, you know. Yeah. When me and the dopey them come across. Yeah, man, the one that's supposed to epic, but we're not going to make it so long like that one still, but Yeah, I make it short and spicy. You know? Well, we go in. But you have to look. Look how the road slippery in a place. And then babes can manage her mother. And well, as never, she don't think she need to worry. She a drop me like a child. I tell my people, see the road? So Jamaica pretty. Yeah, man. Jamaica pretty, don't you? People about 100 bamboo for a pass one morning. And then, first thing about there, right foot a slip. And just a stop. Oh. You see? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, people will spot some wildlife footprint. You know, ground. Yeah. See footprint of people. Yeah, man. See, and them big.
Wildlife footprint and then.
Them big. People, you see that?
Right, just a walk, I'm see a wildlife print, one print, but
Wild boar.
wildlife ground. And the thing is,
People have to be careful.
Me no know. Me no do that something there.
Yeah, I tell the one that look big for hog.
No, cow not come around. Me no do zoology, so me can't know who make a print here.
People, you know if the wild, if it's a hog, it's a wild boar, or it's a deer, could be all a crocodile. But we don't know. Yeah. And somebody tried. Somebody come to us earlier too. You know? Same footprint.
Oh, it's a footprint?
Yeah, man. Fresh.
Alright.
Fresh. See it come up. Water boat. Yeah, my people. So we're still up on the journey. We spot some wild hog footprint. But our look on it good, fresh. Oh.
You see some leave up there, so, bro?
Yeah.
And come through here, look at the phone midday, bro. You know why? You leave them, bro. The midday sun take them, you know.
Oh, them quail. Them quail.
Not quail, but you can see the midday sun take them from up in the sky and run and really get sun like that.
True.
So the only way them could have get sun, I know the midday sun.
Okay. I get the
Somebody
police
come
too.
through. So maybe somebody walk with cow for real, a small cow. Or a donkey rather.
That myself.
But me not see the track. The animal track not go further.
But I saw the person go.
Okay. I want to pass the body. So you see, I go
No. So we don't even know who or what. But we're up on the lookout.
Alright, follow me.
Spring this again. You're taking this melody. Yeah.
Guys, here's another spring right here.
Just past a spring there, so but it dry up. Yeah? And pause. Me a water down a Grandy. People here Grandy. Grandy not like stranger, you know. He man there. You got them there. Watch out people. Because the part rugged.
Rugged.
You have to rough.
You catch your part?
You have to rough people.
Really rugged. Guys, anybody who really plan to do that trek here, you know, I will love it.
You have to
Because
take
it's
your
not
time.
hard, but it's not just easy going. You have
See,
little
I try again.
obstacle.
You have to
Just
go
wear
under.
good footwear so that you don't slide on the bamboo.
See,
Because some of them sharp and then you slide from one and end up on the next one. You know? But I love it. I'm loving it. If you're loving it, type loving it and in the comment section down below. Alright, let me get some comments. Because the more comments and the more likes, the more YouTube will publish out this video to like-minded people like you who like videos like these. And then maybe if you plan to do the hike, you will have company to do the hike.
See more choppings of people. People
Yeah,
pass through, you have to come
See,
on. Yeah man, fresh chopping. People try to pass. Good day, farmer man.
Then when I say them do it from little bit before midday.
Yeah.
Midday sunset them. So I know just a while ago. And the first time I walk, somebody I walk with the animal because they made a chop bush too, you know.
So let me tell you man, it's a bush actually.
So right this up on the tip of the hill so you know I go chop bush this way if I don't you come. When you go up with a chop like this.
Yeah, I tell you first, did I go so?
Up them up. Cut camera Mario for your while.
People watch out.
Guys, if you're good one piece of night vlog too.
True.
That's what I'm going. Stop the rest of it.
I cut up mine in a bites and pieces. Watch out again, people, see? This look fresh now. This look. Yeah, man, that fresh, people.
Alright, if you're smart up,
Yeah.
I go saw you know. I saw them chop it.
Mm-hmm.
Saw them over. Mario, right there.
See that, people?
Them come strong.
Mm-hmm.
Saw them over. So them there in front of me.
And that, I just have said I'm a travel before.
So them move faster than we still.
You see what I go on? People,
I'm gonna walk slower, but I'm gonna cover more ground than we.
I tell you one drama, people, one morning, me and my two brothers, them I go a river, go bathe.
Small one come on a long time too, you know. You see, if my chop bush, you never come on yesterday or last week.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
come on a long time, so that I grew up on some certain I'll get to my chop them.
Yes, so I go on. So people, I know like,
Because we walk every day that now, baby.
so people,
You got chop it already, man.
the same time I go so, you know. And now we a walk, we can't catch him. And so when you go around the next corner and reach down a river, you see the man beard and I come on. Yeah, I said to him, say, why you feel beard so quick? You're not beard, man. You feel the man wet, cool like ice. And I never even see.
Turn on camera.
Yeah.
You don't across?
Yeah. We reach the rest stop. Yeah. So we reach the rest stop right now. You wanna stop and rest up before you enter down in the land. Somebody left them juice. Yeah. See it there? Rest up shop number 2. Yeah. So you don't know, say. This real people. This is the site where the settlement was established for veterans of World War One who were given significant portion of land by the Crown in compensation for war service. Settlement was located on both sides of the trail. You can see that, people? History. History we're making out here. Yeah, my people. That is it, watch out. People, watch out. See? Yeah, still I don't necessarily forget, you know, my people. What if a journey I left to cover, you know? Tell them.
Just reached the halfway point. In the Janka Mountains between St. Thomas and Portland. We are trying to reach Portland. We have to reach Millbank before 7:30. Because we have to get the flashlight and to go back through the hill. And if we don't get there to go back through the hill,
Good people.
it's already nice.
Wow, you see that? So the cloud them drop on the mountain, peeps. Pretty. Look at that. Wow.
This is also the next house. And then we have a next one and then.
Yeah, my people, so. Still I got through. I feel no more cobweb from then. So I know, say. Look a short man go this stop. And you see some good. Yeah. You see some I wanna, you know. You're a stranger. Looking out there, then. Yeah. Just greatness. See it there again, people. Tell them that leave somebody on the trailer go on before we see our next stop here. This look like a bathroom. Yeah. Bathroom anybody? Bathroom anybody? Alright, my peeps. We soon reach. Yeah. Whoa, we have to look fast to get some water you're saying about. Watch out. Water them a dry up, people. Water them a dry up. See that? Water them a dry up. Mm-hmm. But we are going to cross here, my people. Yeah, man, put up on the Kuno part, people. Yeah. And up in the blue and junk come out. Yeah. The way in St. Thomas. I go to Port to learn. Yeah. Mm-hmm. People, I leave the pack from morning. I fall back. No. I mean, at the front again. I leave the pack again, people. If they run a mice, so you have to wear strong shoes. I suppose in the beat class. Yeah, that right. So watch out now. Whoa. Later now, 5:30 gone. So 6. I have to reach where I reach. Because we don't have much lighting. You know? Mm-hmm. No, we are going to see if we come back across. That's a fact. I don't even know about. I guess I got it. It's a got me, you know? Yeah, man. Showing a Godfrey and Elite. Godfrey and Elite are come up the road there. Mm-hmm. See? Yeah, man. See more tracks, yeah? But, hold it up. Yeah, more tracks there for people. So, I don't know, look like a goat or a deer, you know? But the first one look like it's a hog. Wild hog. Yeah, wow, man, this book. Whoop. People, you see me nearly jump. Me nearly jump. You gotta stop flim. Hey, me nearly jumped to the backside. 2 times, you know. I would tell you. Yeah, me I tell you, chip up on the ground. People would have laughed off of me, people. Oh my people. A while ago, we nearly jumped. Oh. You see that part there upon a video already when we just come down like this, you know, people. Yeah. You never know, say it's so serious, more. I would go so like a hog a while ago. But yes, them clean it up with that. No, them thing there. People, we are cut with them. Yeah. That is. People here, that what that in the bush. And we are go through. Yeah, how kind of strange night is that? Anyways, for every piece I can get gone, so make them go. Remember, say, you know, you come for no trouble, you know. You come for walk. People, wow, you feel nice. Me, I lead the pack. Yeah, man. Pause. I've got to go down and stretch up. So, no, people, right now, you are going, people. I cut the video, you know. People, my people. Like, we never go stay through for part 2 for that one. Right now, we're far now, we can't turn back enough, people. We pass, we left St. Thomas, we pass the halfway point. It's another spring about to dry up. And we turn down in Portland, Yeah. I'll be a slide, so I just kind of stop with it for a while. You understand, cause I have all the phone in my hand, so you see, yeah. So now I have to balance, but I have to put it up for a while. I'm sorry about that, my people. Watch how I go on. Still up on the journey, I go down. See time? You know, like time that people. I was still in like, whoa, a big cobweb there. You know what that means? Beautiful. Still do. Good man, now when I walk in. I stop up also. And it's just like snaky. Wow. Could be a cobweb here while I go up there. On my face. The part slippery, people, the part to walk through, Kuno part. You have to wear mountain shoes, no sandals. Unless you're yardy, you have to rough, like me. And Godfrey, yeah. Slippers they are being put in people. One boy. Watch out my people. You know what this called? Landslide. People landslide traveling on the Kuno part, and guess what happened? Big landslide, people.
Yeah.
Take out that picture.
Landslide, pass, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we go over and through.
People, we are go over the landslide. Whoa, watch out, people. Whoa. People, look at that. Them tree they can drop at any moment, Yeah. You got for yourself, you go through. People, my God. Yeah. The landslide of people. Whoa. I can't believe it. What are the mountain? You see that? All the tree they can drop anytime, So the next sign the people so we know we can't up on the wrong path. Yeah, man. Like at one point me I walk, and the people me I wonder say, shot man, I can't go last me now. Let me find what I'm saying. Can't last man. Come in now, go around there so we didn't even know God friend. Come in now, walk around there so that come on people have one place name on the part name Trash Pine. Eh? Then say nobody not go around there so. See? Donkey faces that for the children people so. We're near to civilization. Whoa, look at that, my people. We're near to what? Civilization. Yeah, man. Yeah, one cow tie in the road down here, so. One cow tie in the road, You know, tell a lie, I joke me, I make. I joke me, I make. No, we don't want to jump to me and tell lie, Godfrey. Yeah, I joke me, I make. Because we start telling lie, we start jump. Sharp man, I work there way there, so. No cow no around here, I don't see no lie. people. Still I go through the party now. After 6, I go to 7. So, we'll see what going. We didn't have a flashlight. What? Now I'm giving everything on me I come back across. Coming on a lighting, so I have to see back 1% people. So watch how going. Part 2 now. Stick and stay. See Elite official and Godfrey.
Journey we are do.
Turn on light, cause it get dark.
St. Thomas to Portland. You see me? We all let's do. We Elite there.
See them round there,
Oh,
man.
big up. One family, one family. Yes. In the Portland Hills.
That is it, people. So you see what I'm going. We still are trying. Wow. That's a cool door. Yeah, man. Cool as fuck. Yeah. It's this
More time, we just stop and pause and listen.
ambassador bed gone, so
Oh, Jesus. Sign to them, man. Not even sign them, man. Somebody else can.
boost aperture.
Yeah, that's the. I know, ambassador, something more funny, something. Ambassador bet. Yeah.
The people will stop on the journey.
Rose up a trail.
Right, that's all.
Ambassador cabin still, but I think to turn up straight there.
That's straight, we are going. See him there, people see me. You alright, bro? Sure?
Yeah.
Alright. No, let's check up on him. I just see viewers them check up on him if he's alright, you know? You know alright, bro?
Yes, man. Yes, man.
Alright.
Yes, man.
That is it.
Where you done over here?
Mm-hmm.
I mix up one portion.
Yes, sir, now. We're not going.
No, we're not going.
People later drink some boom there, you see me? Yeah,
mix
man.
up some portion.
That is it. Yeah.
Okay.
Energy juice, you know?
You know what hole on there, sir? Look on there, sir.
You see one under one rock from where I come, Godfrey say, I must see Ark on there. I don't remember Ark or something him say.
I must want to rest the world where we can't find out when we're not.
Yeah, that thing did say.
But I want to lick the whole go down and now we can't hold on.
People, I got you, Kuno pass. Yeah, man. I eat, man, you know? Yeah, man, it's just been a nice day so far. Yeah, we're up on the trail, we're up on the path. Yeah, man. Yeah. Alright, people. No, none left in there. Must be peace. Take it out now and give me a piece of it. Yeah, people, see that? We are going down in the business, so down in this a look dark. Yeah, man. Check in. I take a pause of people. You know, a pause I mean in Switzerland, you take a rest. Yeah.
Good on. We're almost in America.
People will soon they are away. Milk bank? Milk bank? The woman carry milk bank. Oh, milk bank. Okay. Alright. People, when you hear that? Yeah, man. Milk bank. What? People. I be a job, more job for evening, you know. Imagine it at the night. People, me I cut piece of stick and walk with them, me I come back, you know. That's how I see my people and do it, you know. Yeah. It's a thick question now. I saw where I go, Araso.
You still left on the journey.
Want some.
Hmm?
Fly to road.
Reach the river. Yeah, man,
Alright, people. Hopefully. Yeah, yes, sir. You mean if a night I come down, bro? If I'm not lighting. Full of blood.
I like a subscribe and watch the video. And then have a comment for one out of the three channel I hear them and say I did not know on this height, but I'm tired.
People. It's a journey. Night I come down, you know. Night. We still not reach. Where we have reach?
People just a watch and tired.
Alright.
You know? Yeah. Still not reach where we have reach. We don't see no civilization. We don't back up in a civilization, yeah. Yeah, we still in the bush. I go across. No,